every single game. I'm not like a diamond minecart. I might have Furious Destroyers or Poppy Moves skin because that's the only skin I had. I'm not copyright. I'm gonna change my skin to nice orange and black, cool like Titan. And I want the. And there was a Titan right there. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna be playing Speed Builders. Wait, no, I suck at that game. Oh wait. Draw my thing. What's that? What? Here. It might be really bright in here too. Okay, after that crap is over. You joined Justin's team. Blow up. Why is that my name? My brother's been in here. You idiot! What is wrong with you? You're doing this. How do you exit out? How do you exit out? Escape? How do you exit out? Oh. What do you do? Okay. You just guess what crappy people. I'm gonna skip my drink. No, getting a drink. You just guess what people are doing. So how do you type? Like, I haven't played Minecraft that much. T for type. T for type. Isn't that right? Pay attention. How do you exit out of stuff? Escape. Oh yeah, it's escape. Right here. Okay. Oh. What the heck? If that's a muffin, I'm gonna kill you. The caddy was. Okay, me. Lord. Cat of gold. Cat of gold. Gold. What the heck? Is anyone else think that guy's the worst drawing and needs to go kill himself? Daisy, shut up. I'm choking on my soda. Someone's butt. What is that? The word was card. How is that a card? How is that? These people are so stupid. I'm gonna actually do something good in my life. Except I'm doing YouTubing. Someone please subscribe. It's so sad. 4 subscribers. You guys think I'm a good YouTuber, don't you? Anyone who watches my videos, please subscribe. I only have 25 videos and no one's subscribed yet. Come on, guys. I know you can. Can you draw something before I murder you through your butthole? Okay. Okay, now that's done. I'm gonna go dive on again. Coil. Give me that face. Okay, someone's telling me to talk and I can't talk. How come whenever I'm in a video I can't help but shut up? And when someone tells me to shut up, I'm like, no. Car. Thanks, guy. You're actually smart. Well, scares me. Oh god. I'm winning. As you see, guys, that's tiebreaker. Excuse me. I'm into big light here. Look at that. Hey, come on. Hero McChicken. What is that? You need to tell me what is that. Can you just tell me what is that? What is that? Pizza? Why is that? Oh, he guessed the F word. What is that, penguin? No! Am I just not getting something here? Cape. Of course. Can someone not be... Oh! Don't joke another ball. Oh my gosh, I get it. Hey, what is this? Oh. What? It's not fair. That was the word, wasn't it, guys? Wasn't it? Wasn't it? It's Hero McChicken. Hold on. What is that? What is that? That was a wonderful night. Please kill me. How wonderful. Is it cat? Dog? Gun! Nine. Everyone, give me a pause. Not bad. That's what you said. WTF. Hold on. I'm editing letters. It's under 2 PvP 0. True. How? Boom! What? What am I doing? What the heck am I doing? Yeah, this is gonna be funny. Sekiro died. How did someone guess that word? How did someone... That looked like a man drowning in lava. And I thought that dog's nose was pain to bite, so I picked her up by her nose and put her in my mouth. Come here. Okay. In the next 5 seconds, I'm saying this to my dog. A, sexy lady. Are you wearing face protection? Your boy is out of this world, girl. Dang, I'm gonna kiss them that. Oh yeah, Moon. What is that? Yep. What is that? Well, guys, looks like I'm going to end it here. I don't have any words. So I'll see you boys in the next video.